Calling all mechanics. Are you looking to build your business or inspire your techs and yourself with new industry knowledge? Well, you better get down to the Australian Automotive Aftermarket Expo, or the AAA as all the cool kids are calling it, at the Melbourne Convention and Exhibition Centre, Thursday the 11th to Saturday the 13th of April. Don't let anything stop you from getting there. It's Australia's biggest industry trade show. I'm Cody Mackay from Mechanic.com.au, and I'm so excited that I'll be attending the event myself, as well as bringing all my workshop and staff along with me. It is such a fantastic opportunity to educate and inspire your staff, as well as yourself, on what's new in the industry and discover how to evolve your business. Thousands of auto trade visitors from across Australia, New Zealand and beyond will descend on Melbourne to network, learn and build their business and careers. With the event spanning a massive 3 days, there is no reason why you can't get down there. Not only will you see all the products that you use and love, but you'll have the opportunity to discover and source new ones and speak to the product teams and to see how they can best support your workshop. As part of a massive trade show, there's ADAS technology, Expo electrified and four-wheel drive innovation zones, and heaps more to interact with. The biggest seller for me personally is all of the training offered on site. There is advanced diagnostics training offered by international experts, Diagnosis Dan and Sean, tipping all the way from the US and the Netherlands, as well as business education covering aftermarket trends, setting up your workshop for EVs, marketing and so much more to offer. This blockbuster event only comes around once every 2 years, and 2024 is shaping up to be the bigger and better than ever before. Did I also mention it's free to attend for the trade? So, give me one reason why you won't be there. While you're there, come and say g'day at Mechanic.com.au stand P24 and test your skills. More on that to come very soon. Learn more about the Expo and get your tickets at autoaftermarketexpo.com.au. We can't wait to see you there.